All right, the vinyl video, third step. So we've got it together. The little fence is under the bed. They're actually really cool drawers. They hold a ton of stuff. I mean, honestly, I just put about anything in there. Pretty big stuff too. So I've got a carpet coming. I got a green carpet. It's gonna be like 6 foot by 4 foot. That's gonna look like a yard in front, which will be grass. It's a shag rug. It'll be actually kind of cool. Found it on eBay. A couple other sites too had it, but whatever. 40 bucks, 50 bucks maybe. I don't know. And I spent an additional 130. I've seen a whole bunch of lady or girl sheet sets online that I've seen for between 100 and 140 for just whatever. Shag, kind of super soft material. Really pretty ones, obviously. They were nice. But I went and got this set up at Walmart just because it was available and cheap, and it actually matches the house. I like the colors. I think the pinks and the whites and the grays go very well with the bed and the house together. That's kind of what I was looking for instead of all pink. I went and got this big plushy pillow for 15 bucks. This was 40 bucks, I want to say. I might be wrong. 40 bucks. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less. But it came with the comforter. This is a full, by the way, a full comforter, 2 shams, and 2 pillowcases. So I actually just had one extra pillow that I did put one in. I didn't really need all of that anyhow. It's going to be too much stuff on the bed. What I will say, and I got a mattress protector. So I put a mattress cover over, a waterproof mattress cover because it's a little kid. But altogether, I spent $95. So it was less than what I was going to spend on just the one comforter before I even went to Walmart. But it was really hard to put the comforter on. It was really hard to put the mattress cover on, all that stuff. Everything's hard to put on because the mattress fits in this rail super tight. I guess you can see. It's a pretty thick mattress, so it's hard to fold up. And it's against the wall. Actually, the windows are quite useful. So, because without this window here, I'd have to do the same thing on both sides. This side is okay, but that back corner over there is really tough to work with. So, but I mean, it's on. I shouldn't have to mess with it. Who cares? Comforter don't have to be perfect. Little kid, mess it up. Put all their teddies on it. It looks nice. So, this is the finished product. I actually really like it. I think you will too. I said it's comfortable. It's actually pretty sturdy now with that brace. Makes a huge difference. And with the board under it, like I said, just with the mattress, everything, it's all sturdy and supported now. So I can lay up here. I feel completely stable now. I don't feel like anything's going to move. And the steps are okay too. They're not too bad. They're pretty sturdy. But we'll leave it at that. Good luck with yours.